Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to make the div element editable. Generally the content inside the div element is not editable, but in this case if I'll click somewhere here, you can see I can edit it. Also if I want to delete it, I can delete it like this. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need a div element. Give it a class container. Also we need some random text here. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select the container class. Width will be 50%. Height will be 350 pixels. Padding will be 10 pixels. Margin will be 0 and auto. Font size will be around 20 pixels. Color will be white. Border will be 1 pixel solid gray. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Outline will be none. Save it. Now open this file in the browser to see the output. And this is the output. Now if I'll try to edit the text, I cannot edit it. You can see it's not working. To make it work, we have to use content editable attribute with the div element and set it to true. So let's go to code editor. Here use the content editable attribute and set it to true. That's all what you need to make the div element editable. Now save it. Go to browser. Now select this content and you can see you can delete it like this. Also if you want to add your own text, you can add it like this. So I hope you understood how to make a div element editable. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.